Today I'm going to be showing you exactly how to flip a fridge from the beginning all the way to the finish line. Just to show you how easy it actually is to make money on Facebook Marketplace.
So the first step is simple. We go on Facebook Marketplace and we look for a fridge. You can't see too many things in the pictures of the fridge, but it's still important to check before even messaging. Once you found a fridge that is good, you just send a friendly, easy message. Then it's simple as setting up a time and going to pick up the fridge. I was chatting to that lady that was selling a fridge, and she told me that she's not gonna be at home, but she's just gonna be leaving the fridge in front of the doorstep. And I'm just gonna go there, pick up the fridge and leave the money in the post box. Once you arrive, you simply go and you inspect the fridge. One thing that I really like to look out for is a lot of stains and the seals in particular. This fridge here, it was not the best fridge. It had some mold over there, but I saw the vision. I saw the diamond in the rough. So I picked it up, I deposited the $100 in the letterbox. I loaded it up on my ute, secured it nice and tight with some corner guards. Gotta make sure the fridge stays nice. And then of course, after securing the fridge, I brought it back home. I also want to make sure that the fridge is accounted for. So what I do is I go on AppReTrack, which is an appliance reselling tracker. To add a product, we add the make, the model, the category, capacity, color, and everything else that is important for the purchase. And after adding it to the reselling tracker, we go and clean the fridge. When cleaning the fridge, I always start by taking out all the shelves. After taking out the shelves, the top is then thoroughly cleaned. I like to do a top to bottom approach because the dirt tends to go down and then you can clean it up easier. Then of course one really important part is the seals. The seals always have to be cleaned with a brush. And now here you can see the dirty moldy area which needs some extra attention. After cleaning the seal on the top part, I then proceed to clean the inside of the top. Then the same goes for the bottom as well. Nice and slowly, nice and easy, the whole fridge is being cleaned. And finally, after cleaning the inside of the fridge and all the shelves and placing them back inside, the next step is to clean the outside of the fridge. And again, the detailing brush comes in very handy here. Now after this is done, I take the fridge, bring it inside, and take some nice pictures for Facebook Marketplace. When taking pictures, you want to make sure that the customer knows what they're buying before they even come to take a look at your fridge. So take different angles, different parts of the fridge. Make sure that the person gets a feel for what type of fridge you're selling. Okay, after cleaning the fridge and taking some pictures, it is now time to list the fridge. But before we do so, we're gonna go back to AppReTrack and generate a description for our refrigerator. The beauty of AppReTrack is very simple. You can simply choose an existing fridge that you already bought, click it and put in the dimensions. Then after the dimensions, you simply choose the condition details and click on generate description. A simple button click allows me then to copy it and paste it into Facebook Marketplace. And this way I don't have to think about writing a description.
And finally, after listing your item and making the sale, you just have to count the money that you made. For this particular fridge, it was $320 from a $100 investment. Now this is $220 profit from doing a couple hours of work. So driving there, picking it up, cleaning it up, listing it, and also dealing with the sellers. What do you think? Do you think it's worth it? Let me know.